Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Easy detox diets for fatty liver. It is a given fact already that there are quite a lot of people worldwide who are obese. Not just overweight, but really obese. And this is a sad fact because this is a medical condition that is not that easy to reverse. What's more, if you're obese, your body actually becomes a ticking time bomb. Yes, you can go off anytime, anywhere. Ironically, one of the main functions of the liver is to process fat. Now, when you're obese, well, you have a fatty liver. Pretty ironic, but this is reality. Fatty liver is known as NASH or NAFLD. NASH stands for Non-Alcoholic Steatorrhoeic Hepatosis, while NAFLD stands for Non-Alcoholic Fatty Liver Disease. These technical terms basically mean that your liver is laden with fat. So, is there any way for the situation to be reversed? Yes, there are many ways to do so. There are a number of detox diets for fatty liver that you can undergo. You would have to consult your physician or dietitian about the appropriate detox diet for you. You should not go out and choose any of the available detox diets for fatty livers that are available in the market. There is an appropriate diet for you, and only your physician can gauge as to what this is. Generally, the first thing that needs to be done is to administer the patient's body with nutrients that are needed for the pathways needed for metabolism and detoxification. These pathways need these nutrients so as to improve the functioning of the liver efficiently. As for detox diets for fatty liver, there are several easy things you can try, aside from the diet program recommended by your dietitian. Just make sure that you have his or her approval regarding these things that you can try. First off, you can actually reduce your intake of refined carbohydrates. Avoid eating bread, desserts, and such. That reduction should also be tempered with an increase in your intake of fruits and vegetables. It would be better for you to take these fruits raw. This way, the antioxidants will be at their highest level. Aside from raw fruits, you should also increase your intake of raw juices. Yes, take them raw, not processed or commercialized. The antioxidants in juices would be at their highest level when raw. And do not forget the importance of fiber. Fiber cleanses toxins from your liver, as well as from other major organs. Oats and cereals are excellent sources of fiber. By including them in your daily diet, you are actually employing detox diets for fatty liver. And these are one of the delicious detox diets for fatty liver ever. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.